Understanding percentage change. A simple guide. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an important mathematical concept that's often used in daily life: percentage change. Understanding this concept is not only useful for math, but it also helps in understanding news, finance, and even shopping deals. So, let's dive in and make sense of percentage change together. Percentage change is a way of expressing how much a quantity has increased or decreased in comparison to its original value. It's a measure of relative change expressed as a percentage. This concept is commonly used to describe changes in prices, population, income, and other quantities. Understanding percentage change helps us comprehend how significant a change is in a relatable way. To calculate the percentage change, we follow two key steps. 1. Find the difference. Subtract the original value from the new value. If the result is positive, it's an increase. If it's negative, it's a decrease. 2. Divide by the original value. Take the difference and divide it by the original value. This gives you the change relative to the original value. 3. Multiply by 100. To convert this number into a percentage, we multiply it by 100. Here's the formula. Percentage change equals new value, original value times 100. Let's apply this concept with some real-life examples. 1. Price changes. If a product's price goes from $50 to $60, the percentage increase is calculated as 60 minus 50. 50 times 100 equals 20. 60 to 50. 50 times 100 equals 20%. 60 minus 50. 50 times 100 equals 20. 2. Population growth. If a town's population grows from 10,000 to 12,000, the percentage increase is 12,000 minus 10,000. 10,000 times 100 equals 20. 12,000 to 10,000. 10,000 times 100 equals 20%. 12,000 minus 10,000. 10,000 times 100 equals 20. These examples help illustrate how percentage change is used in everyday scenarios. A negative percentage change indicates a decrease. For example, if a stock price drops from $100 to $80, the percentage change is 80 minus 100. 100 times 100 equals minus 20. 80 to 100. 100 times 100 equals minus 20%. 80 minus 100. 100 times 100 equals minus 20. This means there's a 20% decrease in the stock price. And that's a wrap on percentage change. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand how percentage change is calculated and applied in various contexts. Remember, it's all about comparing the new value with the original one and expressing the difference as a percentage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice this concept in real-life situations to master it. See you in our next video.